And welcome back to my channel. What you see here is a lineup of these new Dollar Tree candle holders. So far I've only seen 4 different designs, but that's more than enough for me. We have this one, and as you can see it's kind of twisted. We have this one with little bitty dots on it. Then we have my favorite, the absolute clear smooth one. And then we have this one more with an up and down pillar design. Isn't it pretty? And the thing that I like about these are they are pretty much straight. If you are familiar with the regular Dollar Tree glass candle holders, you know that these are a little wonky sometimes. They aren't completely straight. So what I'm going to do today is create 4 different DIYs to show you how I decide to use these. Okay, before I get started, let me say this. Now lately in a lot of my DIYs, I've been seeing where a lot of people aren't able to find the things that I use, and that's because a lot of you wait to watch the video. And by the time you decide to look at the video, these have already been taken by the people who watched my video or anybody else who has shown you guys new decor from Dollar Tree. My advice is to watch as soon as you can, just in case you see a DIY that you really like and you want to make them. The early bird gets the worm. It's true. As soon as I find out about anything new, I pretty much stalk Dollar Tree. But I'm also lucky enough to have some YouTube family members who let me know when they see something new in the stores as well. I shop on a normal basis over 20 different Dollar Trees, so more than likely I am going to find what I need. I'm lucky I'm in Georgia, and we have some really well-stocked stores. So again, the early bird catches the worm. So the best thing for you to do is, soon as the videos come out, watch them, see if there's something that gives you an idea. A lot of times you can watch a video and not necessarily duplicate it entirely. It might give you an idea, okay? So that's another reason. All right, so now with that said, on to the DIY. For DIY number 1, we'll start with these. So let's get started. So I have 4 of these. And the first thing I want to do is go ahead and take the label from the bottoms. Go ahead and spray them all with alcohol and clean them really well. Okay, I'll put 2 aside for now. Clean the top. For this particular candle holder, I have this glass from Dollar Tree. When I'm done with this, you can use this for a drinking glass, for a special occasion, or a really decorative glass at home. Or you can also use it as a candle holder. Rather than bringing out my favorite glue, which is Gorilla Glue, I'm going to use some UV resin. And if you follow my channel, you know I've been using this a lot lately. Because it's the perfect adhesive for crafts you need to finish right away. This one has like a little chip on the top, so I'm going to make that the top piece. I'm going to put some UV resin right around here, just like so. I want this right in the center. Now I have a UV flashlight. You can also use one of these for your nails. And I have this one. And it has a little clamp that clamps on the table. And put it right on here, just like so. Then I go in on the other side. Now, this is in real time. Watch this. It's already glued. I'm just going to give it a little bit more time. So now I'll take more of the UV resin, put it right on top. It really doesn't take that much. Make sure that it's centered before you put your light on it, because once you put that light on there, it's going to seal it. Just that quick, it's ready to use. But honestly, I would give it a little bit more time with the UV light. I would probably give it about 3 minutes just to really secure it. If you want to, you can set it outside during the day just to give it some more UV light. But yeah, isn't that pretty? And I'm not going to do anything else to that because, again, we can use this as a beautiful drinking glass, or we can use it for a candle holder. Now, if we decided to use it as a candle holder, then I would use one of those small glass votive holders and then put the tea light on the inside and then set it inside, because we don't want to make our glass all cloudy with wax, right? Okay, so that's DIY number 1. And just like that, you have a brand new drinking glass or candle holder that you can use at home or for special occasions. For DIY number 2, we'll be using these. Go ahead and remove the stickers and clean it. Now for this DIY, it's going to be a candle holder, and I'm going to use one of the small fish bowls, but you can use whatever size you like. I'm going to use some of these Dollar Tree diamonds. We have these. They come in the regular clear, pink, green, and they also come in this really pretty blue. Look at that. So you have your options of different colors. Along with that, I'm going to use some of these Dollar Tree pearls. Whenever I open them up, I always put them in a container. Okay. Along with this, I have these little clear discs. I used these in a previous DIY to make a glam checkerboard game, and I still had a few of these discs left over. Theme is going to be diamonds and pearls. I'm going to put some of my diamonds out here. I'm going to leave the pearls in a jar. So I'll take a few of the pearls, some of the diamonds, a couple more pearls, more diamonds. I think you want to do more diamonds than pearls because the diamonds are a whole lot smaller. Now I'll take the UV resin, put it on top. Now I'll remove the film from this disc on both sides. I'm going to lay this right on top. Now you might have to hold it to make sure that it's centered. Okay, as soon as you get it on there, go ahead and put some glue right on top. So you can do it this way if you want to, or you can turn it this way and put some more diamonds and pearls on the inside. Now put this right on top. Again, make sure that it's even all the way around. So now that's DIY number 2. Isn't that gorgeous? And here are my beautiful diamonds and pearls themed candle holders. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to find more of these candle holders so I can make this into a trio. I think these candle holders are perfect wedding decor. Not only are they beautiful, but they will save you money and time. Using my technique with the UV resin, you'll be able to make these in minutes. For DIY number 3, we're going to use one with the little bitty balls on it. For this DIY, I'll be using this glass from Dollar Tree. Again, I'm going to make sure that it's centered. This beautiful candle holder only took seconds to make. As you can see, I did add a little bling around the top and the bottom, and it's complete. This one will make beautiful wedding decor as well. Now finally, for DIY number 4, we're going to be using one of these as well from Dollar Tree. Now with this one, as you see, I only put diamonds in, but you can use glitter, only pearls, diamonds and pearls, whatever you want to do. Crushed glass is totally up to you. You can also use beads. Again, we have one of these discs. This time I'm going just inside. There's a rim here. I'm going to put UV resin right on that rim. Nothing's going anywhere. Isn't it cool? That's going to be our base for our next thing. So let's move it to the side. Guys, I'm using this because I know it's a little hard to see what I'm doing whenever I'm working with glass on this white background. So that's why I have this here. Okay, so next up I have some of these little beads, clear beads, hair beads. I also have this Dollar Tree dinner plate. And I'm going to add some of these beads to the bottom of my plate. I want to hang some pendants from my plate. Most of you guys have seen me do this before. This was something I came up with because I wanted to be able to hang glass chandelier pieces from glass. And this popped into my mind. So now we're going to use the UV resin with these clear beads and glue it on here. It's only going to take a little bit. And it's on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the glove. Now I'm going to go directly across from it. Okay, so this is what I have now. Now I have a smaller saucer plate from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to add some beads to it. Clean it with alcohol. Take our base, put some resin on it. Make sure it's in the center. So now I'm going to take two of these candle holders, the one with the little twisted lines, and we're going to put those in the center. So now I'm going to take some chandelier pendants, some smaller ones, and hang them from the beads. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Again, you can add more if you want. I'm happy with the amount that I have. So, for the base, I'm going to take some crystal garland with 5 of the crystals on there and hang them like this. Now, if you want to, you can take some larger pendants and put them on there as well. Maybe I'll do that, I'm not sure, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and add the garland. Now you can leave it like that, or you can add a finial. You can use a knob like this that I use in another DIY. Or you can take a top from an old perfume bottle that you're done with, like this, and then put that right in the center. Now, because of how this is, I won't be able to use the UV resin. So I'm going to take out my Gorilla Glue and glue this right in the center. Just like that. Isn't it pretty? So now I'm going to let that set up overnight, put it on display, and then let you guys see what it looks like. And finally, here's our super beautiful crystal 2-tier tray. Now, this tray can be used in so many different ways. Comment below how you would use this tray. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.